4 long years. Some of us waited for it. Some of us just weren't ready yet. That one final day. We thought it was so far, but here it is. And here we are. All the blood, sweat, and tears. It all comes down to this.
Okay, so I came to know Pisay because of my father, because he thought that I was right for Pisay, and I was like, no, but okay. I don't regret it because I met wonderful people. Not all the time, but yeah, my batchmates are pretty rad. Yeah, Papi! Yeah, so they're awesome people, and you should go to Pisay because yeah, you're gonna meet good people.
My dad is a desire, so yeah, he always told me stories about desire.
Kasi yung friends ko, biglang may nag-send ng files sa school. So, yun lang. Tapos, kasi gusto nilang gustong sumali ng friends ko, gusto nilang mag-exam. So, ako rin. Kasi, friends.
Kung madi-describe ko ng one word ang experience ko sa Pisay, unexpected.
I thought Pisay was this cream of the crop high school that intensely educated its students up to the point of youth deprivation. So, yeah.
And you don't get to meet this kind of diverse people. Like we have Muslims, we have Jews, and Pakistanis. We have people from different backgrounds, and that's just really great.
Without Pisay, I'd probably be one of those JJ people you'd usually avoid, and
Thug life.
and wala akong goal sa life. I probably won't be thinking about college right now.
So, how does it feel like to be a Pisay scholar?
It feels so exhilarating to be a part of this institution, and at first I was really scared because I thought it would be the darkest days of my life, but apparently it was one of the brightest and most exciting, and I honestly feel so happy that I was able to complete the 4 years, and once a Pisay scholar, always a Pisay scholar, and yeah, I feel very happy and exhilarated, and all in all, I'm just so happy I was able to pass and meet these wonderful people, and the whole thing was brilliant. It was bloody brilliant.
We're from Jade. Wow. The best section ever.
Ay, no-control X ko naman.
So kami, siya, hanggang kay RJ, may banda kami. Sa gumawa. Ako si Mark, bassist. Si Router, guitar. Ako si Aldrin, keyboard. Ako si Alex, drums. Ako si RJ. Ako. Pero piniplay ko. Si Henry. Number one fan. Wala kasi si Robert yung resident vocalist namin. May competition sa Manas. Photographer! Official photographer ng Pisay.
Pangarap ko pa mag-triangle.
Oh, kaya lang. Kaya po makuha ko palo-palo eh.
Mahirap kumala ng triangle.
Nahirapan nga rin ako. Alam niyo ba, first kiss niya ay ako.
Yung pinaka-memorable na. Hindi kita makakalimutan pa.
At mula po kay Mark hanggang kay Luther, ay kay Aldrin.
May
Sila
legacy,
po,
may legacy po sila. Habang buhay namin iwanan ito. Iwanan ito.
High school life. Hello! Friends kami!
Marami pong memories sa Jade na hindi namin makakalimutan.
Sana po doon si Sir Eugene kung nanonood ka, sir.
Kung nanonood ka sa Eugene, alam ko natutuwa ka dahil ang ganda ng decoration namin.
Siya, malinis na classroom ng Jade kayo.
Oo, malinis na sir, pero hindi kami nag
Kaya ka, yun eh.
Marami ako mga memorable experiences sa high school. Tapos, per year siya kasi walang best. Sa first year, sa Diamond, gusto ko yung Diamond kasi dun na-form yung friendship. Tapos masaya, medyo masaya yung Diamond. Okay lang. Pero kasi nung Diamond, naiiyak ako sa lahat. Tapos, ayaw ko nagsasalita sa harap. Kasi ngayon wala akong pakit. Tapos second year,
best friend mo ko.
second year Sampa, nag DSPC, RSPC, NSPC, yun yung most memorable. Kasi masaya yun. Tapos third year, lit yung favorite section ko kasi masyadong maraming fun experiences kasi doon na po yung House 3, tapos merong Ramayana play, tapos merong Filipino play, tapos masaya yung classmates sa Lithium. Sobra, yun yung best. Tapos sa Puton, yun yung second na favorite ko kasi si Ma'am Mela yung sa yung advisor. Tapos, mabait siya. Tapos, nagbibigay siya ng variable lessons. Parang counsel. Lahat ng advisors nagbibigay ng gano'n. Pero, talagang tumatatak yung mga pag-top love, tumatatak siya. Tapos, masaya yung Puton. Tapos, masaya din yung classmates sa Puton. Tapos,
yung pinaka-memorable experience ko sa Pasay is National Schools Press Conference 2013. Yung time na yun, first time kong makasakay ng airplane. Tapos, ang majestic ng airplane. Nung naka-take off na, akala ko cars lang yun, buong city na pala yun. Tapos, wow! Ang liit ng mga bagay, tapos, wow!
So, nung field trip kasi namin, nung first year is yung sa Manila. Saan yun? Manila. Tapos, syempre naman, may room doon, di ba? Bawat mga estudyante para matulog, syempre. Tapos ang mga karungan ko nun, si Joshua, si Ren, si Vincent, si Robert, si Ren, si Kenneth. Tapos, kasi pagod na pagod kami nung gabi sa bus, syempre hindi makatulog mga tao kasi sinusulatan sila sa mukha. Tapos yun, pagod na pagod kami. Tapos may isa kami kasama sa kwarto ang pagod. At siya si Vincent. Siya yung pinakaunang natulog sa amin. Kaya yun, tulog siya. Tapos kami naman, dami pa namin pagkain. Ang tawag sa pagkain yun? Banana split. Hindi yung, basta yung banana split na candy siya na ganito lang taliit. Tapos masarap siya. Kaya, naawa naman kami kay Vince. Gutom lagi yun eh. Kahit tulog yun, gutom yun. So yun, nakabukas pa yung bunga niya na akong natutulog eh. Kaya, mga 5 at 10 or basta 5 pataas, nilagay namin siya lahat sa bunganga ni Vince. Tapos kasi maputik yung daan, kaya maputik yung sapatos ko. Kaya naisipan kong linisin gamit ang tissue na may tubig. After kong linisin yung sapatos, tulog si Vince. Kaya yung tissue at bunganga ni Vince. Tapos, yun lang guys. Laging gutom si Vince.
Okay, so I remember during second year, I was in Sangha, and that was music time. We weren't doing anything, so Carl and I were fooling around, and we happened to come across Sir Guana's PE music, whatever, Pembok, that he apparently, later I would know, has been using for more than 10 years. Then, when we were browsing through it, then we saw Brush Up, Sharpen Up, and Word Back. And we decided why not make it funny, like a game show type of way. So we started laughing like, yeah. Then Sir Gona saw us and he got pissed at us. I think that was the very first time he got mad at Visay, in Visay. And it was because of us. Then he said, "You're laughing this book." I didn't notice it that time, but I guess other people did. Then he threw the book, and then he picked it up again. And I guess that was funny because I didn't end up crying, unlike Carl. I'm sorry, Carl. What I learned about that was that you should never mess with PE teachers and their books because they're sensitive.
Nung first year guys, parang hindi pa kami masyadong close nung mga klase ko. Tapos nung medyo nag-end up, tapos parang sabay-sabay kami naglalunch, gano'n. Tapos nung second year parang, akin lang. Nung second year parang na-hurt kami kasi magkakahiwa-hiwalay pala kami. Tapos, magkakahiwa-hiwalay kami. Tapos, hindi na kami sabay-sabay mag-lunch. Kaya nung second year, parang kasabay ko na nagla-lunch si female. Tapos parang mayroon isang time na umakit sila kami sa kamya. Kasi taga-dala pa sila, tapos umakit sa kamya. Tapos kumain kami ng lunch sa labas ng classroom na nakaupo lang sa floor na ang cute. Ang ganda. Parang picnic sa labas ng classroom. Parang reunion ng Ruby Girls. Tapos,
Ayoko na.
Ako naman.
Sa tinubuang lupa kasi ang saya-saya ng kamya. Ako kina Isabel, gano'n.
Oh, yung first na kami. Pitch perfect.
Dapat may original. Okay.
Sa yun?
Diyan ba yun? Wow!
Sorry ako na
Oo
hindi
naman.
siya tinubuang pa kasi ang saya-saya ng kanya. Makikinig na Isabel, gano'n.
Diba? Para tayo, sunog po yung bahay! Pagkata po namin!
Tapos, yung next yung Filipino play na Helium
siya.
na sobrang nakakatakot. Yung mga si Henry na nakaupo lang sa gilid na talagang patay. Mukhang patay. Pati si Keisha
Yes! Naalala ko yung
Tapos ako, tapos ako, Dario! Ang saya ko nun. As in, parang, wala na, ang saya ko, Dario! Tapos, hanggang sa yun, Dario!
Naalala ko yun. Yes! Yes! Oh my God, it's so fun. Diba? Si Kenneth! Go come here.
Okay, alis na ako. Casey, alis na.
Kenneth, you interview.
Sam, alis na muna. Alis na tayo.
Si Kenneth. Kenneth, dito ka. Bilis!
Henry!
Oh, you're next.
Ayaw mo.
Okay, let's go. Share your significant
Madami akong sasabihin.
experience. Go. Share it. Go.
Will be in the shot.
We're here.
in Kisay, it was,
Let's start eh.
nag-ano naman. Ano experience?
Yeah.
Pabantay.
In Kisay, it was an amazing experience. Yes. And my friends were there. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Henry, go.
Calculus. Calculus.
Go.
Calculus. Calculus.
Lights, camera, action!
Hey everyone! Sa natatandaan ko ng field trip ng first year, pumunta ako sa room nila Aldrin. Tapos sinanap ko si Aldrin. Sabi nila naliligo. Di pumasok ako sa CR. Nakita ko. Siya, si Aldrin, si Henry, at si Ruther naliligo. Sabay-sabay sa isang bathtub. Kadi. So, nag-retreat kami nun sa Palm Group. Ano yan, nung unang araw kasi, maraming ginawang init. So, syempre, maliligo kami sa gabi. So, nag-shower kami. May ibang nauna, may ibang ano. So, nahuli. May ibang nahuli. So, ako, isa dun sa mga nahuli. Kasama si Alex, si Joshua. Ay, si Joshua. Si Agnes pala. Si Aldrin naliligo na. So, si Mark din naliligo. Si RJ din naliligo. Pumasok kami nila Alex, Agnes, tas ako. Eh, di inaasahan eh. May nasagi si Alex sa kortina. Yung room ni RJ. May nakita kaming tingdo.
Parati ko sinasabi, be good, be brave, and be safe. Yun lang.
I'm so happy that I was given the chance to spend time with you for one school year, Blue One, and of course the other sections, Graviton and saka Photon. I learned a lot from all of you guys, and I won't be able to really forget you. This might be my last year at Garci, but yung batch ninyo ay talagang
Yun yung maiiwan sa puso ko dahil kayo yung advisor ko dito kayo yung advisory class ko sa car seat. So God bless you guys and just continue to work and reach for your dreams. Work hard and don't forget to honor God and to honor your parents and to also give your best shot. Congratulations!
Thank you, ma'am. I'm good.
Okay, hi guys! Congratulations on your graduation. Gaya ng lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, kung nahihirapan kayo, ganun talaga. Pero strive harder, kayang-kaya niya yan. And, yun lang. I'll miss you. Good luck on your lives. Bye!
God, I don't know what to say. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for the fun times and the fun times. I wish you good health, good luck, and in every endeavor, I wish you success. And hopefully, after 10 years, we can meet up again, and then you will all be successful. Just like me. Bye.
Finally, the wait is over. We're here, and our efforts have not been in vain. Certainly, we've strived more than we've dreamed. This is what we've worked on for 4 years, and we will certainly dream further. We are Invictus, and this is our story.